you like waffles?
Oh, yes, very much, thank you.
No, thank you.
This is the most beautiful house I've ever seen.
Well, thank you, Anne-Marie. Where do you live?
I live with Charlie. He's my dog.
Oh. But what about your parents?
I don't have any parents.
Then where do you stay?
With Charlie in the junkyard.
Oh, my. Anne-Marie, you sit right there. Honey, come with me. We can't let her leave here with nowhere to go.
I know, honey. She could stay in the guest room. Until the authorities straighten this out, of course.
Oh, Charlie, Harold and Kate are really wonderful. They weren't upset about the wallet. They gave me real waffles with butter and syrup.
Really? Well, that's great. Look, I'm glad to see you found a home for yourself.
Oh, do you think so?
Sure. In fact, I just came over to say goodbye.
Goodbye?
Yeah. Well, I guess you won't be needing me anymore.
Maybe you could stay too.
No, I couldn't stay. I mean, I don't want to spoil it for you. I don't want a dirty old dog like me in a nice, clean house like this.
But Charlie...
Don't worry about me. I'll make out somehow. Oh, by the way, you were the best friend I ever had. Enjoy your waffles.
Charlie?